Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You first make sure the fundamentals are live: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. Turn them on in quick settings. Nearby Share needs them to find peers. Open the photo or file you want to send, tap Share, and pick Nearby Share. Select Visibility: everyone if you're in a hurry, contacts to limit recipients, or hidden to refuse requests. Do this now so devices can discover one another. The faster those radios are live, the faster discovery and transfer begin. Once your device sees the target, tap the recipient name to send a sharing request. The receiver gets a notification and must accept. That step prevents accidental transfers. Nearby Share selects the best channel, Bluetooth for discovery, then Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct for fast data, so you don't manage protocols. Watch the transfer progress in the notification shade. Tap to pause or cancel if you need to. If sending multiple files, queue them and allow the transfer to finish. After transfer completes, open the recipient's files or gallery to confirm the item transferred intact. If you see failures, first toggle Nearby Share off and on, then Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. A quick reset often clears handshake issues. Make sure both devices stay within a few meters and avoid hotspots that block device-to-device links. If problems persist, temporarily set visibility to everyone on both phones to rule out contact restrictions. Once confirmed, restore your preferred privacy setting and retry the share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.